how to delete seen movies on Netflix. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you delete your seen movies or your history on Netflix. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to just open the Netflix with your account, as you can also open it by using your browser, or you can directly use your Netflix app. Alright, so after you open the Netflix with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, at the top left corner, you'll have to tap on three line. Okay, so from here, tap on account. Okay, so from the account section, you'll have to scroll down and find the sections like profile and parental controls, and from that section, you'll have to just choose the profile from where you want to delete the seen or history of that account. So simply choose any on the account by tapping on that drop down just at the right hand section of that profile. Okay, so once you have tapped on that profile section, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here, you'll have to just tap on the option view activity. Okay, so from the section you can easily find out all of the videos or movies and series that from that account or profile have been watched. So from there you can easily manually select the video or series whom you want to hide. So simply, if you have been selected a series or video, you can easily get the options like hide series from there, and after you tap on that hide option, you can easily hide or delete that series or videos from the Netflix profile. And although you can also delete the entire watch history on that profile. So for that, you'll have to just scroll down at the bottom, and from there you can easily find the options like hide all, and after you tap on that hide all option, you can easily delete all of the watches history or seen video on Netflix. So in this way you can easily delete the watches or seen videos on Netflix account. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.